The biggest truth about crypto for beginners in 2025, it's rarely about quick gains, despite what you see online. Nobody emphasizes this because education and security aren't as exciting as predicting market surges. It sells fewer courses and draws less attention. The real value for newcomers lies in understanding the underlying technology, decentralization, blockchain security, and how it impacts global systems. Before ever touching a digital asset, prioritize learning about digital security and the core principles of self-custody. This is your foundation. Familiarize yourself with different wallet types, hot, cold, and multi-signature options to keep your assets safe from external threats. Platforms like Lobster for Stellar make asset management and secure transactions accessible, even for beginners, by simplifying complex security features. Those who start in 2025 and prioritize learning and security will be the ones thriving in 2026 and beyond. This long-term thinking is the truth. Discover more educational resources at darkhorsetoken.org.